Kakabalik ko lang ng Katipunan and it's currently 1:20 p.m. Pupunta rin ako ng campus to get my lunch and then study before my next class at 5 p.m. Ang dami kong gagawin. Maglo-laundry pa ako. Sana masingit ko yung laundry later. I spent the weekend in the province. Anyway, I'm gonna go and finish some stuff that I need to finish. I'll see you on campus. I usually focus on short readings to keep my brain sharp for tough concepts. Here, I'm reading and constructing my notes simultaneously, adding some annotations as well to help with studying. But annotations don't need to be overly detailed. However, it's good to throw in some examples for better comprehension. Hi guys! So it's already 6 p.m. I think. Maagang nag-dismiss yung prof ko. Babalik na ako ng dorm, but that's not for rest. I have to do my laundry and then study more. Kasi meron akong important quiz bukas. God give me strength. Good morning guys. So today is Tuesday and it's already 7:55 a.m. and my class starts at 8 a.m. But biglang nag-message yung prof namin na she's gonna be late, like 15 minutes late, and if she doesn't arrive after 15 minutes, we can leave. Pero pupunta pa rin ako na Ateneo ng maaga because I have to study. Magre-ready muna ako. I'll see you guys on campus or on my way to campus kasi bala kang bumili ng coffee. I badly need it. Katipunan's a little peaceful today, but sarado yung Tomo. Sad. It is 8:10 and wala pang message yung prof namin. Hello guys! Update. Na-cancel ang class officially.
Yes.
Si Mario kasi biglang nag-picture. We're heading to Cons. Nasa ano kami? Review mode kaming lahat. Magkakapit na. Magkakapit. Say hello to
Hi guys.
Bad Boy Felix.
Nagtataka ako, bakit niya? Kaya mag-glutenin.
Ano yung characteristics ng info?
Hi! We're on our way to our next class.
We're on our way to,
about
to make our lives
mag-go-quiz na kami.
Difficult.
And sobrang aga namin kasi we're all panicking. Hi guys, nakalimutan ko na mag-update. But nasa Teo ako, kasama ko si Marian. Katapos sila mag-aral, naalis na rin siya. Sa ko, mag-stay ako dito sa Teo kasi I'm gonna study. Nakatapos lang ng exam namin. Wala pa siyang grade, pero mag-aaral na ako for another exam on Thursday. Wish me luck! When I take notes, I usually start with a quick summary, especially for subjects like history. But if there's no clear outline, I make one as I read by identifying major themes. These themes help structure my notes because they serve as big ideas under which I organize smaller details. Hi guys, so pauwi na ako. Hindi pa ako tapos mag-aral. Wala pa ako sa kalahati ng inaaral ko. So, grind na naman ako tonight. Good morning guys. So today is Wednesday and it's currently 7:49 in the morning. Wala akong class pero pupunta pa rin ako ng campus because I have to attend something. I might also get my lunch there and then stay sa library to study kasi I still have an exam for tomorrow. And as far as I can remember, may deadline ako on Friday, also on Saturday, and also on Monday. I was planning to wake up like 5 a.m. pero hindi kinaya ng katawan ko. I slept around 12 a.m. If I force myself to get up at 5 a.m., walang papasok sa utak ko kapag nag-aaral ako. Rest is very important, guys. Huwag na ipagpapaniban yung sleep niyo. I genuinely do not want to go to school. Pero andito na ako. Scott Coffee. Hey guys, ang init. Kakatapos lang ng talk and papunta ako ng Guns because I'm super hungry. I just got to the library and it's super hot. Hindi ko na kaya panindigan yung pag-hoodie ko. Dito ako kasi mag-aaral ako. Like, deep studying. Okay, yun lang. Yun lang talaga gagawin ko rito, mag-aaral. Another note-taking tip is using your own words in summarizing key points instead of copying exactly what's written from the material. The key here is to keep everything clear and concise, but if it's difficult to shorten the ideas, I would recommend using abbreviations or mnemonics. Umalis na ako ng NRL kasi magla-lock up na sila kasi until 5 PM lang, and I think it's exactly 5 PM right now. Hindi pa ako uuwi. I don't plan to leave the campus not until I finish my reviewer. Anyway, I'm transferring to Mateo kasi hanggang gabi yun. See you there! Progress update lang. I'm on my last philosopher. So, baka matapos ko na siya in like 1.5 hour. In taking notes, you should also include your personal thoughts, questions, and even establish connections between the topics. Lastly, adapt to your preferred learning style. I'm only sharing the strategies I've developed during my experience in college, but it's crucial to develop your own method, one that you can master and use efficiently for a long time. Hi guys, I don't know if you can see me or not, but there's an airplane right above me. Ang galing ng timing niya. Pauwi na ako. Bala kong dumaan ng maybe computer shop dito kasi kailangan magpa-print ng reviewer. Tapos bibili ako ng food. Dinner secured! Hello, nasa Guns ako and look who I bumped into. Nag-aaral na ako because magsa-start na yung exam ko in less than 2 hours.
Wish us not, please.
Hi guys, kakatapos lang ng midterms namin sa isang major subject. And ang sakit ng kamay ko. Ang dami questions, tapos lahat essay form pa. May identification na, tapos meron pang explanation. Ang haba ng explanation doon. Kapag hindi mo in-explain ng buo, hindi complete yung thought. But I'm thankful na I survived. We're on to the next priority. Magla-lunch muna kami. Na-survive niya din. Bala kong tumambay sa team. Mag-aaral ulit. Kasi may exams pa ako. It's midterms week. Guys, nilipat kami ng Teo. Wala na kami energy lahat. Nasa labas ulit ako kasi ginutom ako bigla. As in, sumakit ng super yung tiyan ko. So, I had to go to the nearest vending machine and get some food. I already got some food. Babalik na ako ng class. Good morning, guys. So, it's currently 7:45. Ay, kung hindi pa ako alis ngayon, I'm gonna be late. So, aalis na ako. I'll see you on campus. Hey guys, nasa campus na ako. And I'm already late. So, there's no use of rushing. Plus, ang daming wala sa class niya. Papunta na kami sa next class. Medyo speed walking. Tinatamad na akong magmadali.
Vlog takeover. Hello. Say hello to the vlog.
Vlogger na pala si Bryce.
So we're currently in Hesto.
Kakatapos lang ng second class and asynchronous yung third class namin. But pupunta pa rin kami sa room. It's a research, so the work doesn't end.
Tama na, Rihanna!
May bumisita. May PE ako sa lahat sila walang PE. Pupunta na ako ng PE class ko. Hindi ko kasama si Felix, umuwi siya kasi nagpapatuyo pa siya ng PE t-shirt. I'll see you after class maybe. Hi guys, I'm currently in Gonzaga. Natapos ko lang maglaro. I got a perfect score on my midterm sa PE. Bumili ako ng juicy juice despite Felix's warning na hindi raw siya masarap. Anyway, it's currently 3:38 and I head back to the dorm mga 45 siguro kasi kailangan ko pang pumunta ng grocery store. I have to buy some stuff. Bumili ako ng hotdog. Sakit ang ulo ko and I feel like gutom ko. Hey guys, I'm already back in the dorm and it's currently 7:30 in the evening. I did a quick grocery run to get some important things. My agenda tonight is to get some rest kasi kanina sobrang sakit ng ulo ko. I think it's over fatigue. So I'm aiming to sleep early tonight. As you can see, ang gulo ng background ko. My room is a mess right now kasi it's midterms week and all I've been doing is studying. I haven't been cleaning my room. Punas-punas lang everywhere. I haven't even hanged my clothes. Ayusin ko muna yung life ko dito. I'm gonna prioritize my well-being tonight and then study again tomorrow kasi hindi pa tapos ang midterms week. I think that's it for this vlog, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out all my other videos and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again on my next vlog. Bye!